In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can get verified on PayPal. So let's get started. So I have an article here in PayPal. It says that to get verified, you need to go to your account to confirm your bank account, or maybe you can add your debit or credit card. So now once you're here in paypal.com, once you're logged in, just simply go here into the wallet section. Once you're here, you'd now be able to link a bank or a card. In my case, I have already linked my bank and then my cards in here, so my account is now verified. And take note that even if you're verified in here, if it's your first transaction, or maybe it's your first few transaction here in PayPal, your money will still be on hold for a few days because it's for security measure. That is what I experienced, even though I have already verified my account. But don't worry, it's only for the first few transactions. After that, it will no longer hold your account, so it will now be instant. You can now withdraw it instantly or use it instantly, however you want. So you just have to be patient on your first few transactions because PayPal is still building history and just making sure that you are not a fraud. So yeah, that's it on how you can verify your PayPal account in here. Thank you for watching.